Hey guys, good morning to all of you. Hope you all are well. Guys, today in this video I will share with you a recent job openings from African country. So guys, as you know, till now there is still critical situation is going on due to coronavirus. So as my suggestion, if some countries have hiring for an employees, you should apply if you are looking for abroad job. So guys, that's why I'm sharing with you. If you are interested to apply, you can apply as soon as possible. The interview process, the visa process, all will be happen, but it will be decided by the company or by the employer. So guys, first of all, I can suggest you collect these informations, and if you are really eligible for this job, you can apply and you can try to attend the interview. Once you getting success from the interview, you can process for the visa and you can move African country with a job with a good salary. So guys, let's start. I will share with you the job openings, what is the job openings, what is the applying process, everything details. So go ahead. The job is engineering manager required in Nigeria. As you know, Nigeria is a African country. As you can see here, hiring for an engineering manager, Ketchup, sauces, Mayonnaise, seasoning for a diversified group to be based out of Lagos, Nigeria. As you can see here, the qualifications requirements must be BE or BTech in electronics engineer with 15 years of experience. So this is very important. You should have experience. They don't need any fresher guy. They want experience guy. Then minimum to, out of which minimum to 6 to 7 years in food processing experience. So guys, well versed with combinations of food safety and quality management system. African exposure preferred, but no, not mandatory. If you are interested to apply, you can forward your updated CV to the given official email ID as I highlighted. So guys, the thing is, if you are looking for a job with a good salary, you can apply. My suggest you can apply. If you are getting a chance with a good salary to move Nigeria with a job, you can so move as an experience holder. Next job, I already told you, engineering manager. This is the same requirements for different locations. Then next job, CA required in Ethiopia. Ethiopia is also a African country. Hiring for a qualified CA, यानी कि chartered accountant, country finance officer for leading agro commodity trading business to be based in Ethiopia. Looking for someone who can manage the entire count of finance of accounts functions. Interested candidates can forward their CV. So this is basically a chartered accountant job. They don't need any experience because they did not mention. So guys, fresher candidates can be also applied. So as I told you, you can, my suggestion will be you can try and you can collect this information. You can apply as soon as possible. By good luck, if you getting the chance, you can move abroad with a job. Next job, deputy HR manager required in Ethiopia. So as you can see here, nowadays this job profile is also very demandable jobs. Urgently looking for higher deputy manager, HR manager for one of our leading clients in steel industry positions. Is based in Ethiopia. Candidate with 8 to 12 years of experience in journalist. This is very important. You should have the experience. This is the basic requirements. By these requirements, you can apply as soon as possible. African working experience is preferred. Strong experience with union management. Interested candidate can forward their CV to given official email ID and can also contact by this given official number. So move to next job, assistant sales manager. So if you have experience in, if your profile is in sales, you can apply as soon as possible. And you can see here, hiring for assistant sales manager, 2 to 3 wheeler for a leading automotive mobile company based in Guinea Conakry, West Africa. Job role: handling dealers, two-wheelers and network expansions, coordinates development of sales support personnel including customer support, service and management resources, so the team performance objectives and customers expectations are met. hands-on experience in ATL and BTL and field promotional activities. This is all about the job role. As you can see here, if you are interested and if you have the proper qualifications and experience to work as a sales manager, you can apply by dropping your CV to the given official mail ID. Next job, head of facilities management. If you are belongs to facility management profile, if you have the same relevant experience, you can apply as soon as possible. Hiring for a head facilities management for a diversified group to be based out of Africa. Candidates must be with 15 to 25 years of exposure of managing facilities, large high-rise to towers. Interested candidate can apply by the CV to the given official email ID. So guys, the same information you can get from the descriptions. Don't worry for that. I already provided all descriptions in text format in the descriptions. Next up, multiple vacancies. As you can see here, number 1, project civil manager, project civil tech contracts manager, project mechanical manager, electrical procurement manager, engineering manager. Main requirements: minimum 20 years of experience, English proficiency, willing work outside Egypt. So guys, this is very important. A experienced guy, why he can move abroad? Because due to of high salary. So guys, my suggest, please collect this information, apply. If you will get a good salary, of course you can move abroad with a best life. So next up, senior sales professionals required in Kenya. Kenya also is a African country. I hope you all know that. Urgently looking for a higher senior sales professionals for a leading group in animals feed business in Kenya. Candidates with 10 to 15 years of experience in the animal feeds business, out of which 5 years should be in sales leadership role. Degree in animal science with good technical knowledge of animal husbandry, strong commercial with respect process. Interested candidate can drop their CV to give me official email ID. So to work as a senior sales professional required, you should have the proper experience and qualifications criteria. Then next, finance controller required in Africa. If you belong to finance professionals, if you have the experience, don't worry, apply as much as possible. If you will get a chance to move, you can apply as much as possible. So next up is sales manager required in Africa. I already told you, if you are belong to sales professionals, don't be worried, apply as much as possible. Hiring for sales manager to be based West Africa. Must have 6 to 10 years of exposure into selling of two-wheelers. That means this is basically, if you have experience in two-wheeler showrooms, then only you can apply as much as possible. So guys, today in this video I already shared with you different job openings from African country, many African countries like Kenya, Ethiopia, Nigeria. Like the positions: sales manager, finance controller, senior sales professionals, then civil engineer, then facilities management, then assistant sales manager, then HR manager, then chartered accountants, then engineering manager in Nigerian country, then engineering manager in Nigeria. So guys, my suggest, first of all, please go to the description below this video. All information is there in the text form. Then read it carefully for which job you want to apply and for which job you are really eligible to apply. You can apply as soon as possible by the proper process. As I already told you, you have to drop your CV. Once you drop your CV to the given official email ID, they will review your CV. Once your CV will be shortlisted for interview, they will inform you by your given email the date of interview by online or Skype and the time. Then you can attend the interview. Once you getting success from the interview, they will guide you how to process for the visa, what is the document requirements, everything they will guide you. But first of all, the initial steps you have to apply as soon as possible. Then once you getting response from employer to attend the interview, you can attend the interview, then you can go ahead. So guys, I hope this information will be helpful for your careers. Please share this information to your friends and relatives and the people who are looking for a job in abroad. So I hope this information will be valuable for job seekers, and I will try to give you more information about job requirements, because as you know, many of countries, they are bounced back to their normal positions. They are now free from coronavirus. They are all situation are normal in their country, so they are hiring for